This video is going to be discussing your literacy beliefs final project for 3043, developmental literacy. This final project should be approached thoughtfully and should reflect your learning in this class through your reading and class discussion. Your best thinking should be supported by references to your text as well as other credible resources. This project is due by midnight on the final Friday of our course. So what you're going to do for this final project is you're going to create a presentation synthesizing and reflecting upon the deep understandings you have gained about balanced literacy. For example, you're going to talk about your understandings about reading and writing processes, the components of teaching reading and writing. For example, read aloud, guided reading, reader's workshop, writer's workshop, all of those elements of the balanced literacy framework that we've talked about in weeks 1 through 7. You're also going to be discussing how your understandings of the teaching of reading have been informed, the importance of assessment, the importance of texts, how your learning will prepare you to understand your students. This project should not be a regurgitation of information. Rather, it should be your internalized learning, how theory translates into practice. Your own voice of learning should be evident. It's going to be written in APA format. You're going to have a minimum of 10 slides with you visible on each slide. This is the rubric for the project. Again, I'm only going to discuss the advanced column. Your understanding of content. Does the project show a deep integrated understanding of balanced literacy? Understanding of current research, is it present and is content synthesized? Classroom application. Project shows extensive examples of classroom applications and explains specifically how this research will be used in the candidate's classroom in the future. So you're going to be talking about classroom examples, working with your student, and how you will use it in the future. Appropriate citations. Please make sure that you're using APA 7. You need 5 research-based sources and our course text. So you're going to need 6 resources cited and referenced in your final project to earn 19 to 20 points. Let me say that again. 5 research-based sources are cited in addition to course texts. So you're going to have at least 6 in order to score a 20 or a 19. Writing standards. Is each slide written in clear, concise, and exceptionally scholarly language? No errors should be visible, spelling or grammatically. Pay attention to this, please. The presenter is visible and easily audible throughout the presentation. Background is free of distractions. The presentation is executed in a highly professional manner and appearance. If you have questions about this final project, please ask me. Make sure as we go through the course each week that you're reflecting on your understandings that you have, that you talked about in week 1, how they're changing. Or are you getting confirmation on what you already are thinking? If you do a little bit each week for each element, it's going to be much easier in week 8 when you pull it all together for your final project. If you have questions, please ask me.